Cheers.
Greatly
And I just want to
appreciate you.
say congratulations to Jay for VIFG, for all the success. And I know when he started, so I'm very happy for you.
My man, you made me
And thank
tear
you-
up over
and
here,
Thank
bro.
you for helping all the businesses out here.
My man.
Yes.
Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and this week I have a special guest by the name of...
Big Sue here from RHOLC Foundation and Alami Real Estate. Good to be here at City Tap. Come on out whenever you can. By the way, I've got a house for sale in One Loudoun. Jay, let's get this thing going.
My man. As Sue stated, we are at City Tap, which is located in One Loudoun, Ashburn, Virginia.
Yep.
Which we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 old-fashioned Fridays just in One Loudoun.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Which is a testament. We've never done that many in one plaza.
Right.
We haven't done that many in one town,
Yep.
let alone
I
a
guess
plaza.
we love One Loudoun.
It's a testament to what One Loudoun provides here.
Yeah.
So if you're looking for a home, he has one for sale in One Loudoun. When does it go up?
Actually went up today. We've got 10 showings already, and we got an open house coming up. It's right on Exchange Street, and open house on Saturday. We'll make a decision on Sunday. By the way, I love your camera. My teeth look nice and bright and white.
So this will be aired tomorrow, Friday. So if you're interested, you're going to need to check it out by Friday or Saturday. Probably close the deal on Sunday.
Sunday,
Yeah.
5 p.m. around there.
Yeah, and it's on Exchange Street, which is the main street of this plaza.
Just walk over there. It's like 3 minutes. That's it.
Doesn't get much better location than that. Nonetheless, we'll get into this. You guys know how this works. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. Let's jump to the ambiance first.
Okay.
We're at City Tap. This is a place you guys regularly come for the Real Husbands happy hours.
Absolutely. Ambiance is 3 tops. I can't do any less than that. I love this place.
It's 0 through 1.
Oh, 0 through 1.
The rest is 0 through 3. The
All
last
right.
one's 0 through 1. I know it's a weird system, but I just like max 10.
A strong 1.
Strong one. That's a strong one.
Yes.
I agree, same. This is one of my go-to spots in One Loudoun. It's Sensitai, Lost Fox, City Tap. Those are the 3 main places that we frequent at. So full 1 for me as well.
Absolutely.
And we'll jump into the appearance. Good size glass, single cube, nice orange peel, Luxardo cherry, looks pretty. No clarified ice, but still single cube nonetheless. Still looks solid, 0 through 3, Sue. What are you thinking?
I'm going to give it a, 1 is top, right?
3 is top.
Still looks solid, 0 through 3, Sue. What are you thinking?
I'm going to give it a, 1 is top, right?
3 is top.
3. Oh, 3. I thought 1. Oh, this
0
is
through
3.
1 on the
This
last
one's
one.
3. Okay.
My bad.
I'm going to give
He's
this.
been drinking all day. He's a little confused.
I'm going to give this a 2.75.
2.75.
Which is good.
Yeah,
which is good.
that's
And you know
great.
what? For all of you old-fashioned connoisseurs, the dark cherry is important. Some place you go, they don't have the dark cherry.
Yes.
The dark cherry is there.
The Luxardo cherry is a huge bonus whenever you get in there. I
Yes.
agree. I'm going to stick around the same. I'm going to go 2.65. And let's do first sip. Cheers, brother.
Cheers, bro.
My man.
It's good.
Incredibly smooth.
Oh yeah, you can taste the texture. You know what I mean? It's
Sure.
not just too weak, too strong. It's got a nice balance.
Nice balance. That's what we're looking for. They're using a Knob Creek bourbon here today. Typically it's Woodford. Supply chain is like off the charts. Getting any kind of select bourbon is difficult right now. But I'm a huge fan of Knob Creek. Price point of $13.50, which is a great price point.
Very good.
Most of these are $16, $17, sometimes $20.
Oh,
so
easily.
$13.50 is a great price point. They're also using a house-made beer. This is called the mashed old fashioned,
Okay.
and they're using a house-made like beer syrup. The guy was trying to explain it to me.
Maybe that's where I'm tasting and,
Yeah.
and seeing the texture, right?
Yeah.
It's not milky, but there's a little bit.
He said you'll taste
cloudy,
a little.
right?
He said
Yeah.
you taste a little bit of hops to it, and that's from the little beer house-made
You said
flavor.
a little bit of hops like this.
A little bit of them hops, dog. What are you thinking? First sip, man. I thought it was solid.
Yeah. What's
0 through 3.
0 through 3? 2.95.
2.95. I'm going to have to agree with that. I'm going to go 2.9, and we're going to drink the rest of these, give it the last rating. And if there's anything else you want to talk about, or saying that really fast is difficult. RHOLC events or anything else you got
I
coming
just
up with
want to
real
say
estate?
thank you everybody for supporting. Over the summer, a little past September, in the fall, in September, we raised again, $70,000 for Loudoun First Responders
Yeah.
Foundation. And recently Chris also initiated for Larry Summers, going through colon cancer. We had an awareness and a happy hour, an event there at Soli's Poorhouse. I think we raised around $4,000 or $5,000. So, the love and support that you guys give is making a difference, and we appreciate you.
Yeah.
And Jay, I appreciate you very much.
Man, that's a testament to what he created, that whole group. It was the first Facebook group I joined when I started doing work down here in Virginia. And to say that that group has been helpful, not only for my business, but for my personal life, would be an understatement. Highly recommend anything that involves the RHOLC brand. Again, $70,000 at that golf charity event. I was there. It's phenomenal. When you see that many people come together, and everyone's there for the same reasons, for a good cause, and people aren't scared to get their checkbooks out at those events, brother.
They really aren't.
No.
One thing I could say about the group is there's a lot of Facebook groups, they create, and it's all about community and all this. But wait, if you want to advertise and market your stuff, sometimes, certain groups, we don't care. You want to promote your business, you want to do anything, we're wide open.
Yeah.
And, we help the brothers in the group, but also their families, guys going through divorce, the kids going through, depression, veterans going through PTSD issues. We connect them with lawyers, we connect them with, you name it, the support system is always there.
100%. I've seen a guy saw tires on the side of the road that somebody dumped one day, and a bunch of people just drove there and picked them up so that people didn't have to drive through tires when they were trying to get to. The community is so strong, and everyone is just there doing good stuff.
Absolutely.
100%.
When it really took off from just a men's group, Henry passed away about 4 years ago or plus, and we raised $25,000 before the foundation was even created.
Yeah.
That's when we realized we had a brotherhood, and we decided to do something even greater, and we opened a nonprofit.
Yeah. Which is the RHOLC Foundation, which I'll tag in the caption. I'm finished. You got a ways to go there, bro.
Oh, I'll catch up. I'm already one deep ahead of you on something else.
That's true.
But I will drink it in your honor.
My man. Well, we started doing Old Fashioned Fridays a year and a half ago. Sue was one of the first guests that we ever brought on. And not only was he one of the first guests, but we also did it right here in One Loudoun.
We did. Sensitai, and then went over to Matchbox.
Yeah. And now here we're back a year and a half and change later.
Yeah.
So it's a beautiful thing. Overall, the consistency was very good. I just think 1350, Knob Creek, the single cube, Luxardo Cherry. This is one of the best deals you can get as far as an old fashioned is concerned. When you compare the quality of it.
Okay.
I'm going to stick to the same 2.9. It was solid. I think I said 2929, which is 5.8 plus 1 is 6.8. And then I think I said 2.65, which is an 8.8945 for me. I don't remember what you said, but I'll figure it out. I'll put it in post.
Yeah. At the end of the day, is it thumbs down or thumbs up? Down, or what am I saying? Thumbs up or thumbs down? It's the thumbs up.
That's a much simpler way to. Maybe I should just do that. You know what I mean? Yeah, waste a lot of people's time out here. With
too
these
much math, we get confused.
Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, anything over a 9
or 2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
That's a good idea too.
I support it. 9.45. I think his score is slightly higher. He might be 9.5 or 9.55.
Yeah.
City Tap, Ashburn, Virginia. Big Sue, Alami Real Estate, RHOLC Foundation. I'll tag all his information in the caption.
Thank you,
I love
Jay.
having you on.
Thank you. Cheers.
Greatly
And I just want to
appreciate
say congratulations to Jay for VIFG, for all the success. And I know when he started, so I'm very happy for you.
My man, you made me
And
tear up over here,
Thank
bro.
you for helping all the businesses out here.
My man.
Yes.
All right, Virginia is from Grubbers. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.